You're blank. You're not making anything. So guess what? Do this and get yourself moving, and then you can make the thing you were trying to create. Hello, creatives. So, what do you do when you can't think of anything? I know how frustrating this is. I really do. There are times when you feel like you have the energy, you have the time, you sit down and you go blank. And it's one thing to say, hey, just do it wrong. But there are some days where you're like, I don't even know what wrong is. My imagination is stalled. Good news, I've got you covered. I want you to open a browser of your choice, and I want you to type in your art medium prompts. So let me explain how this works. These prompts are ideas from creatives who are currently not blocked, and they want you to use them to get yourself moving. For example, here we have writing prompts. They are all over the internet, and they are great. Here we have drawing prompts. Look at these. All right there to be used. Have something else going on? Okay. Music writing prompts. Boom. Right there. Oh, you say, no. My thing is just, there wouldn't be prompts for me. Guess what, buddy? These are free to use. You can just take them. They're offered freely, like samples in a grocery store. And I know the objections that you have. Well, this isn't the thing that I was trying to create. That's fine. You're blank. You're not making anything. So guess what? Do this and get yourself moving, and then you can make the thing you were trying to create. Oh, this isn't how I would do it. It doesn't matter. Doing it wrong will still get you moving in the right direction. Creative. We live in an era where people have put these things out to help you. They're tools. That's all. They're there to be used to get your engine jump started so you can make your thing. Whatever your medium is, you can find either prompts specifically for it or adjacent to it that can at least get you making something. Just make something. Let it be little. Let it be wrong. Let it not be your idea at all, but make it. And if you keep doing that, eventually you can get your ideas out of your head and into the page or into the clay or whatever your medium is, and it will work. Don't give up. Even a blank mind does not stop you from getting yourself started. You can do this. Take the time and do it today. Take 5 minutes. Give yourself permission to make it tiny and to make it wrong. Look up the prompt thing for your medium. Just pick one, even if you don't really like it, because you can do it wrong, and do one thing, one sentence. Draw one little tiny thing, just a little bit of squishing in that clay. Just do one thing, and then you are not stuck anymore. You're beginning to move forward, and that's what we all want. You've got this, creative. I know you do. Take a deep breath, sit down with me, and let's make something new.